Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. I am so excited because it finally came, the Supernatural Tarot. I am so excited. So this is a tarot deck and guidebook. It is written by Minerva Siegel and the art is by Matthew Skiff. So Minerva, she has written the Nightmare Before Christmas tarot, and she's got a few more on the way, which I'm really excited about. This retails for $24.99, excuse me, and it is published by insighteditions.com. So stick around to the end of this flip through because I will tell you how you can win your very own deck. That's right, my first ever giveaway. I'm so excited. So let's get into it. All right, I'm already loving the art. I'm loving the box. Look at the inside. Oh my gosh. So disclaimer, it's been a hot minute since I've watched Supernatural. I need to rewatch it because I stopped at season 10. Here's the guidebook. Awesome. It looks pretty decent. Oh, did you see the back? Ooh. And look, there's a ribbon. This is already beautiful. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's just look through the guidebook real fast because Minerva usually does a really good job with her guidebooks as well. So we have understanding and then each of the card meanings, and then we got caring for your deck, methods for reading, and some spreads. Okay, so I just want to go to the very back. Ooh, it's color. It is color printed. Yay. So caring for your deck is here. Methods for reading the tarot. And then I just want to see the spreads. Apple pie tarot. I love that. And then we have Lucifer's Cage. And we have Team Free Will tarot spread. Interesting. And then about the author and the illustrator. Okay, let's dive in. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm excited. That back is amazing. I love. Okay. All right. I'm already in love with this deck. The cardstock is, it's not terrible. It's a little bit thinner. It's flexible. So we'll still keep going and see how we feel about it. Interesting. Of course she is. I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh, that's their mom. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, the dad. I can't remember any of the names right now. And there's gonna be characters that I probably won't know because they were in later seasons. Oh, look at how young he was. Of course it is. Of course it is. I love. So we do have some borders, but they're not taking me out of it. And we have the title and the Roman numerals there. Love it. Oh my gosh. Yes. The lucky rabbit's foot. Oh. The way that the colors and the artwork style is, I just love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Love. I forget all the names, but I remember the faces so bad. Wow. Okay. So yeah, if you are a Supernatural fan, this is for you for sure. Love this. Wow. All right. Oh, I love this scene so much. Oh my gosh. Wow. Stunning. Okay, here we go. Bones. All right. Oh. I love this so much. All right, so it is going to be like the Pip style. It's not terrible. Okay, here we go. Interesting. So it's intermixed. We've got some Pip style and some people. Interesting. Ooh. I remember him. It's been so long. Like season 10. Oh, yes. Okay. That is Crowley, correct? Am I correct in thinking that's him? Interesting. Love. You have to have the protection symbol. That's really cool. It looks like the salt. Ooh. I'm so excited to like get into the card meanings to see who these people are again, the ones that I don't recognize. Or I'm like, okay, remember the face, but I don't remember who they are. Oh. Remember him. Wow. Oh, is that the tablet that they were reading? Oh my gosh. Wow. This is so fun. Oh. I'm loving the different styles of the blades they're using. That's really cool. So blades are going to be your sword suit, obviously. Pentagrams, I believe those are going to be your pentacles. The bones, I believe, are going to be your wands. But we'll double check. Just to make sure we have all of the correct information. And then we have a lot of good, we have the icon there for the suit, and then we have the number there. Wow. Okay, really like that. Isn't that when they went to hell? And goblets for the cups. Awesome. Ooh, I love. It looks so good. Oh, I'm so excited. I really like that it's not just the symbols, so it's not always going to be a pip deck or a pip card that you pick up for the minor. I love that. That makes it more accessible. Why does he look like Pete Davidson? The the way that it just, I don't know why the style, the art style or whatnot, but it just looks like Pete Davidson to me right now. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm really enjoying this. I don't know if you could tell. Okay, let's shuffle. I do not have an issue with the way it shuffles. Yeah, no, it feels good. It's a good size. The cardstock snaps back. It's a matte. Woo! So sorry if you heard that big smack. All right, we're gonna read the Knight of Pentagrams. Okay, and then I do want to read maybe one of the major arcanas too. So the Knight of Pentagrams, upright. Azazel, that's who this is a single-minded, thoroughly evil prince of hell who will stop at nothing to achieve his goal of freeing Lucifer. The Knight of Pentagrams advises you to put in action behind your goals, especially ones relating to your career or finances. You have big dreams and now's the time to go after them. Reversed, the Knight of Pentacles, or Pentagrams, I'm so sorry. Reversed indicates the momentum on a situation relating to your career or income has stalled. It could be a business venture isn't fruitful as anticipated, or maybe you're not getting ahead at work. If you find yourself feeling unsuccessful, it may be time to pivot alter your strategies or re-examine your goals to make sure you're spending your time and energy in ways that will really benefit you in the long run. All right, so let me just pick out here's strength. Oh, so we're going to read for strength. So you get a whole understanding of the deck here. The tarot card Strength represents your inner resolve required to take control of your own destiny, much like Dean's vampire friend, Benny, whose tragic arc forces him to make difficult choices over and over again. Upright, Benny rejects his vampire maker, the woman he loves, and even his own bloodthirsty nature in an effort to live a life that harms no one. Strength advises you to follow your heart and pursue the path that feels right to you rather than one that seems easier or expected. Reversed, when the Strength Tarot card is drawn reversed, it's a sign there are outside forces causing trouble for you and your plans. Identify who or what is making your life difficult and rely on your instincts when deciding how to deal with these obstacles. You have what it takes to come out of this on top. Trust your intuition. Okay, so first of all, I'm absolutely in love with everything about this. I love that all of the minor cards are not necessarily pip cards or just symbols. There's people or things going on. I love the characters that they incorporated. I love that they made Sam and Dean's dad and mom emperor and empress. It just fills my heart with so much emotion. I feel like the art style is awesome. It's definitely dynamic looking and it just like so much fun. It's a different type of deck. I love the blue, the reds, everything about it. I'm so excited. I think if you are a Supernatural fan and you're into tarot or want to start getting into tarot, this is a great deck. I think this is definitely beginner friendly, even though there are some pip cards in here. The guidebook does a really decent job with letting you know what everything means and how to use it. I love the different spreads. It's just such a fun deck. And you sometimes need a fun deck. Like I have the Game of Thrones deck. I have the Nightmare Before Christmas deck. Like it's just fun to incorporate fandoms that you enjoy and you love into your practice. And I feel like it'll help you learn a little bit better too, since you know these characters and you know their arcs and that can relate to your question and your understanding of each card as well. So that's fantastic. Okay, let me know what you think down in the comment section about this deck. And let's get to the nitty bit of it about the giveaway. So if you're interested in winning your own supernatural deck from me. This one right here, untouched. There's only a couple things that you need to do. And one is comment down below in emojis describing your favorite supernatural character or your favorite supernatural episode. So that's one. And then two, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, because if you're not, I'll find out. No. So comment down below, subscribe, like the video, and that's it. And this will run until the 11th of May, 2021. And then that's when I will contact the winner and I'll announce it and I will send it to you. I'm so excited. My first giveaway. So please be patient with me as I'm working everything out, because I want to make sure this is fair. And I figured this would be kind of fair, like the most fair I can make it, just making sure that you comment and subscribe. All right, that being said, thank you so much for spending time with me. Thank you so much for supporting me in this channel. Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate each and every one of you. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.